I've just bought this canning kit from Amazon. And it has everything that you need for canning, except it does not have large spoons and ladles that you'll need, but those you probably already have. But in this kit is a wide mouth funnel, which is a necessity. You can make do with certain things, but with a lot of vegetables especially, you need that wide mouth funnel. There is a jar lifter. There's a regular pair of, well, this is kind of heavy duty, but a nice pair of tongs. Double use tool right here. One, on the one end you have a measuring device, and it lets you choose an inch, 3/4 of an inch, half an inch, or 1/4 of an inch headspace. And the other end of that tool you can use to run it down in beside your fruits and vegetables and what have you, whatever you happen to be canning, so that you don't have air pockets. So it basically releases air pockets from your jars. And then this little thing is quite handy, and it is a lid lifter. Has a magnet on the end, and when you've got your lid sitting down in boiling water, it's very important. Now you can do this with your tongs, or you can do this with a fork. You can fish out your lids. But the safest measure, so that you don't have your fingers scorched at every time you start to pull a lid out of the water, you need one of these lid lifters. That in itself is worth buying the whole kit. Now, there is also this rack, canning rack. Now most, and if you're already a canner, and if you have a boiling water bath canner or pressure canner, most of those canners come with their own rack. This rack is what you put your jars on, and then you lower them down into the water and pull them back out. So that is a handy tool. But the most handy tool in this entire pack is this pair of tongs made specifically for lifting your jars. These are really nice, because when you're using regular tongs, they don't often lift properly, especially if you're trying to lift them up out of boiling water. And they can slip and fall. I've had quite a few accidents where I dropped the jar back into the water. So if you're just getting started in canning and you're wondering what tools you will need, well, this set right here has everything, and it should be good to get you going. Thanks for stopping by.